how to create a DFS lineup on Dabble. Now, if you want to create a DFS lineup on Dabble, first of all, creating a DFS lineup on Dabble is a bit different than traditional DFS sites due to its pick M style. And here's a tutorial on how to select players for your Dabble lineup. The first and foremost is to simply choose a sport and event. So you can navigate to the sports tab from the top, and you can go to a certain event right here. So you can go to the play section and select a certain event. Now, start by selecting the sport you're interested in, example NBA, NFL or MLB, then choose a specific game or event from the available options. Now, Dabble requires you to select between 2 and 12 players for your entry, so you can browse through the available players pool for the chosen event. You can consider the factors like player performance, recent form matchups, and any relevant news or injuries. So now it is time for you to make more or less predictions, as you can see right here. Then after that, this means you're predicting whether the player will perform above or below the projected stat line for that specific game. The number of players you select impacts the potential payout multiplier for your entry, and more player means a higher potential multiplier but also a higher risk of not getting all predictions correct. Now, this involves, by the way, a degree of risk, and it's essential to game responsibly and within your means. And this video is also only meant for informational purposes only. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.